Hello and welcome to the channel, Easy Digital Art. If you're new here, I use Microsoft Office shapes, usually in Word, but sometimes in Excel or PowerPoint to create art. Today I'm going to show you how to make a refrigerator, a classic style one. It's very easy. This is the image and I'm just going to show you the different parts. I'm going to go Insert, Shapes, get a rounded rectangle, Shape Format, Shape Fill, make it white. I'll leave the outline for now. So this one here, if you go into Format Shape, and you go into 3D Format, you can see there's a round bevel, and it's 36 and 24. So we're just going to do that and copy everything here. So let's just do each part separately. So 36, 24, and it's round. So that part's set. Go to depth, 17.5. Make it black, 17.5. Enter, like that. I don't think that really matters at this point because we're not going to tilt it. Now material. Our material for this one is a warm matte and the lighting is 3-point. So let's just see. Warm matte, 3-point. So that's done. Nothing else to change for that. So we're almost done. There's very little to do. Here's the handle. To do that, insert shapes, and it's this item here. You just gotta change it. Maybe it's a little bit too long, so make it like so. This shape format, solid fill gray. Let's just see what else is there. Round. Okay. So we'll go here, solid fill, make it gray. I don't know what gray that was. Let's just see. It's this gray. Okay, so we'll just copy that. This gray. Not sure about the outline. Let's go into 3D format first. Make it round. Okay, we'll leave the outline as it is. So that's the handle. So now I'm gonna go here, say fixed position. And this one's a little bit more sharper, I guess. I can adjust it with that yellow and then just go make it wider, maybe a little bit. I don't know, just wait. That's also like that, and maybe longer. Okay, that's good. So the next step, we'll create this design. Going to insert shapes, take this thing, copy it, paste, and flip it around. This one is 0.43 by 3.39 centimeters. 0.43 by 3.39. That's the easiest way to make it the same. Go like that, and then here you go shape format, shape effects. We'll just put a bevel on there. And then for the shape fill, put it lighter. Like that. Similar. You can make it smaller. It's a bit different, but you could just resize it. This symbol here, go to shapes, just find the star. And I think for the first star, just go shape format, shape outline. Just give it that, and then grab the yellow dot here. You just bring it in, and then rotate it and resize it. And that's it for that. You can copy this star, paste it. Oops. Then you just change the shape fill to be darker. Like that. Maybe the outline is black. And then just make it a little bit wider, larger, and just place it over top. And then go this last one. Go bring to front, and then you have your symbol. And I think that one, not this one, but the one behind, you could just make it like that. Insert, shape, and then you just take this shape, and then there's just a pattern. If you go here, shape format, shape fill, shape format, just go to fill here. There's a pattern. This is the pattern that's being used. So just go to this one, pattern fill, choose the pattern, choose the color, and make it a little bit larger. That could be like the vents underneath or whatever. Like so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you found this useful. Thank you.